Alright guys, the models has been changed to slide into marginal risk, but still damaging winds. I don't know if you can see the light over there. Oh. Alright, we're gonna try the other window. This thing is not even working. God damn it. Oh my god, this is bad, guys. It feels like we're in enhanced risk of severe wear, but they change it to marginal risk. Holy shit. Look how heavy the rain is. Oh my god, yo! Alright guys, I'm about to end this video right now. It's really bad. No lightning, but it's very bad. Yeah, I'm gonna head inside right now. It's really bad. Look at the water. Yeah, it's really bad over here. The rain just stopped, but it's still heavy. Alright, I'm about to end this video right now. This is really bad.